The ultimate MovieJobHirecom tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're aiming to break into the film industry, most people get this wrong by sending resumes to random agencies. The surprising truth about MovieJobHirecom is that it's a curated platform connecting talent crew and production professionals with legitimate opportunities worldwide. First, create an account. You won't believe how fast it is. Enter your details, upload your resume, portfolio or showreel. A professional profile increases visibility to producers and casting directors. Next, explore listings. Most people get this wrong by applying indiscriminately. MovieJobHirecom organizes jobs by role, location, and production type, helping you target opportunities that match your skills and experience. Pay attention to deadlines and requirements. The surprising truth is that applicants who carefully read descriptions, follow instructions and submit polished material stand out and are more likely to secure interviews or auditions. Finally, track your applications. You won't believe how much time this saves. MovieJobHirecom provide tools to monitor submissions, follow-ups, and interview schedules, keeping you organized and proactive. In conclusion, MovieJobHirecom can take you from zero to pro in pursuing film industry opportunities. By creating a strong profile, applying selectively, following instructions, and monitoring your applications, you'll maximize your chances of landing meaningful roles. Professionalism, persistence, and organization are the keys to success in entertainment careers.